Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a chain spoiler install. Currently has a stock one on. We're going to replace it with this one. I think it's gonna look mean. You already have the car on jack stands. My dad there is removing the front lip. After that, we're gonna place it on top of this new one and drill the new holes and then put it right back in. It should look mean. All right guys, there we have my dad's opening the holes to go in the front chin, and that's what we're doing right now. I'll tell you once we're ready to put it in, and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so the installation is finished. Here installing the spoiler, it was fairly simple. Just take off the old one, replace it with the new one. You did have to make drill the new holes in order for it to fit, but I think it came out pretty good. There it is. I'll take some more photos and videos of it once we're outside, because here you can barely see it. But there it is.